Vector Tutorials. New admission for foundation course of Class 12 COSEM Science and Arts stream commencing on 2nd May 2022. Course duration 5 months. Class timing 4 p.m. to 7:15 p.m. Subjects offered: Science, Physics, Chemistry, Biology and Mathematics, Arts, History, Geography, Political Science and Economics. Course fee ₹5,000 only per subject for the complete course. Avail the following opportunities: limited intake, 20 students only per class, 1 hour life skills development class every week, 50% fee concession for 2 students of government school, regular evaluation of students after completion of every chapter, 3 mock tests after the completion of the course. For details, please contact us at 8794-168-126 and 8837-460-229. Email us at vectortutorials2019@gmail.com. DM us at vector_tutorials_Imphal. Visit us at Kwakeithel, Akham, Leikai, Imphal, West, Manipur. Class 11 Foundation Course Science starting from the 2nd week of May.